So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get all the big files on your Windows in just one click. You don't need to get to them manually. You can find the list of all the big files on your file explorer. Just simply open this PC now. Here in this search bar on the top right corner, all you need to do is to just simply type this prompt, that is size with the colon uh, and this arrow, and here you need to write, let's say, 1 GB. Now all the files that are greater than 1 GB will appear right in front of me right here only. So by this method you can easily find all the list of files that are greater than 1 GB, or you can customize it as well. Let's say if I write 500 MB, so all the files greater than 500 MB will appear right in front of me right here. So you can do it easily to get the list of all the big files. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.